Flutter is a user interface (UI) framework developed by Google for building cross-platform mobile applications with a single codebase, using a reactive and expressive programming style. Flutter is a cross-platform framework that enables you to build apps for both iOS and Android using a single codebase. It offers a fast development cycle, expressive UI designs, and a wide range of pre-built widgets. Flutter is a good choice if you want to target multiple platforms efficiently and value a consistent user experience. Flutter was first announced by Google at the Dart Developer Summit on December 4, 2018. Android and iOS are native mobile development platforms specific to each operating system, while Flutter is a cross-platform framework that allows you to write code once and deploy it on both Android and iOS, providing a unified development experience. Flutter offers promising career opportunities due to its growing popularity and demand in the mobile app development industry. It allows developers to build cross-platform applications, enabling them to work on diverse projects and expand their marketability in the job market. In the United States, the average annual salary for a Flutter developer ranges from $70,000 to $130,000, with variations based on location and experience level.